How much money do you really need in order for you to be financially free? What's that number exactly? I'm not talking about how much you need in net worth and in income. I'm talking about how much you need to be earning in, listen closely now, passive, what's the word? Passive income. And that means income without you working. In fact, the very definition of financial freedom is having enough passive income to live the lifestyle that you desire. And depending on that amount is going to determine the strategy or plan you're going to need to get there. Would $20,000 a month make a difference in your life if you weren't working and it kept coming in? Well, I think for a lot of you, it would. Again, our job is to help you expand your thinking so that ideas and opportunities like this, they become second nature to you, good or good. Now, of course, one of the most popular forms of passive income is investing in, you've heard it all over the place, positive cash flow rental properties. Again, this is an area with which tens of thousands of people around the world have created financial freedom. And it's an entire subject. But if you don't think that you have enough money to do this, guess what? You're incorrect on that one. And if you don't think there are any more positive cash flow opportunities available anymore, guess what? You're also incorrect on that one. And this is a perfect example of knowledge being power. If you learn what to do, you can find, and you put into practice, you can find amazing cash flow opportunities that need very little or none of your own money, okay? Now, again, for those of you who, again, you have some money saved somewhere or in some investments, there's another huge ideas that I want to share with you. Let me ask you this question. What if I could show you how you can become financially free virtually overnight? Now, again, whether you're ready to do this right now or you're preparing in the future, I want you to listen closely because the method has a name. It's called repositioning. Repositioning. So what if instead of having your money sitting in some account earning like 1 or 2 or 3%, or where you're waiting for something to appreciate and it hasn't done that for quite a while, or it's appreciating minimally, you actually invested that money in a passive income business? Let's say you had, I don't know, let's say $200,000 sitting in various liquid investments. And you had the opportunity to buy, let's say, some vending machines. And let's say vending machines might cost $5,000 each. Well, if you had $200,000, you could purchase 40 of these $5,000 vending machines. And let's say each one of these vending machines brings in a net profit of around $500 a month. Well, if you figured it out in a very short period in time, you could be earning $20,000 a month passively. So take away the $2,000 or $3,000 you'd have to pay someone to manage this thing for you, and you're left with, I don't know, $17,000, $18,000 a month net. You know, for a lot of people, earning $17,000 a month net is more than enough income to be free and never have to work again. And again, this is how you could become financially free virtually overnight just by repositioning the current funds you already have into a new passive income vehicle.